If you want to do body recomposition, you must stop guessing your calories. The key to perfect body recomposition is finding your maintenance calories, which means the sweet spot where your body has enough energy to build muscle while also using your body fat for fuel. Hi, this is Kamal, a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. I help busy professionals and entrepreneurs transform their bodies and build strength. If you are ready to start your transformation, contact me or download my app KFitHub on iOS or Android. Online calorie calculators are often inaccurate because they don't know your lifestyle, your metabolism, activity level. So in this video, I'll show you a simple formula to estimate your maintenance calories, a 2-week test to find your real number, and how to adjust it for your body recomposition. To estimate your maintenance calories, use this formula. Take your body weight in kilograms and multiply it by 30 or 32. For example, if your body weight is 70 kilograms, then maintenance calories is 70 into 30. It's roughly about 2100. If you multiply with 32, that comes around 2240 calories per day. So use 30 if you have a low activity, use 32 if you stay active or exercise regularly. This number may not be 100% accurate, but it gives us a good starting point. Step 2. Now this is the most important part. Eat that number of calories every day for 2 weeks. During this time, weigh yourself every morning and take the weekly average weight after 2 weeks. If your weight stays same, you have found your maintenance calories. If your weight is dropping, you are in calorie deficit. So increase calories slightly. If your weight is increasing, you are in calorie surplus, so reduce calories slightly. This method is far more accurate than online calculators. Now step 3. For body recomposition, we stay at maintenance calories or go about 10% below maintenance. This creates a small calorie deficit. That small gap allows your body to burn body fat for energy, maintain muscle and strength, improve your body composition. This is how you lose fat and build muscle without extreme dieting. So stop following 1200 calorie diet or 1000 calorie crash diets. Instead, find your own maintenance calories, train consistently, and let your body transform the right way. If you want me to calculate your maintenance calories, comment your weight and activity level below and I'll reply with your number. And if you want more science-based fitness tips, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.